Vachana 820, which is written by E.K. Ramanujan. Vachana 820 derived from the book named Speaking of Shiva. Standing shall fall, but moving ever shall stay. It is the headline of the poem. The rich will make temples for Shiva. What shall I, poor man, do? My legs are pillars, the body the shrine, the head a cupole of gold. Listen, O Lord of the meeting rivers. Things standing shall fall, but moving ever shall stay. In ಕನ್ನಡ ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯವ ಮಾಡುವರು ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಲಯ್ಯ ಬಡವನಯ್ಯ ಎನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇ ಕಂಬವು ದೇಹ ದೇಗುಲ ಶಿರಹೊನ್ನ ಕಳಸವಯ್ಯ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ ಸ್ಥಾವರ ಕಳಿವುಂಟು ಜಂಗಮ ಕಳಿವಿಲ್ಲ. And brief introduction about Basaveshwara. Basaveshwara, commonly known as Basavanna, was a statesman, philosopher, social reformer, poet and Lingayat saint. In 12th century, he was born in the year 1134 in Basavana Bagivadi. He died in the year 19 sorry 1196 in Kudala Sangama. His parents are Madarasa and Madalambike, and he is also known for socio-religious reforms, Anubhava Mandapa, Vachana literature, and women empowerment in South India. Basava, an active personality during the region of two dynasties, Kalyani Chalukyas, Kalchuris. Basava is a famous known as Bhakti Bhandari, the treasure of devotion. Vachana 820 is taken from the book Speaking of Shiva, is a collection and selection of vachanas or free verse sayings from Veerashaiva religious movement. Basava's most of vachanas translated into English by A.K. Ramanujan, one of the prolific translators in Indian English literature. Let's see the summary of the poem. Vachana 820, originally written in Kannada language by Basava, later translated into English by one of the Indian translator A.K. Ramanujan. This Vachana is describing so many prominent things, such as in modern era, so many people are thinking about outer appearance, but the people in 12th century they thought about inner appearance of the people, such as honesty, equality, devotion, freedom, etc. A.K. Ramanujan used words, two words, translation. The title of Vachana 820 is Things standing shall fall, but moving ever shall stay. It gives so many moral ethics to the Vachana begins with the rich will make temples for Shiva. This sentence shows the people, which means rich people, always show their devotions, feelings to the god with the things they build temples for Shiva. It means showing outer appearance. It is not type of devotion according to Basava. He continued the line with a question. What shall I, poor man, do to the Shiva? Here Basava is comparing his devotional feelings between rich and poor. But he decided himself after asking a question. He has given answer. Also, he is thinking his entire body is a temple for Shiva, and heart is a spiritual and pure place for Shiva. He describes my legs are pillars, the body the shrine, the head the kufal of gold. In Vachana 820, the last two lines are conveying an important message to the people. The writer consoles himself saying that things standing shall fall mean That building will be destroyed by wind, rain, and sunshine. He is happy that the moving ever shall stay, means that he will be able to carry the temple and his God forever with himself, and so it will never destroy it. It shall stay. Thank you.